After you receive this latch right here from Hyundai, and the part number from Hyundai is 84668-3Q000RY. It's the lower latch. If you can see that. It's a lower latch. This is the part you'll get. And this is your console, the bottom section, which it's kind of tricky to get off because you got about six screws, Phillips screws from inside. And like I say, they're kind of a challenge to get off. But I'll show you how to put the latch on. And this is the latch. This is the spring, which is another part number, but mine wasn't broke. And then there's a little rubber piece here too. So, first thing you got to do is orient this latch to your assembly plate, and it goes in this way. So, you'll see once you fiddle around with it how it goes. So, you take your latch assembly, and you got to put the spring on after you get it in the slot. So you just slide your spring onto the pegs, and then you have to make sure that the square lever of the spring, this square configuration, I don't know if you can see it, but the square configuration has to go underneath the tab of the lever. So you put it underneath the tab of the lever, and then you got to fight it to get the spring back on the peg. And this is a little tricky, but you got to fight it and just get it over it, and it will go. So then once you got it underneath the tab, you got to make sure that the springs are in the proper spot, the spring legs. And then all you do is push this up, and then that goes in there, and it's in. And then you put your little rubber back in the hole, and you got to have the rubber out. You can't put the rubber in first. And you just push the rubber in, and it goes right back in this little hole. And there you have it.